Hi, first grade. Today we will review standard pictorial and expanded form of numbers up to 120. How will we do this? We will represent numbers in standard form, pictorial form, and expanded form on a place value chart. Why? It is important to be able to represent numbers in many different ways. Let's review some vocabulary first. The first word is standard form. Say standard form. Standard form is when a number is written as digits. Pictorial form. Say pictorial form. This is when a number is shown in place value blocks, like 2 tens, so 2 longs. 5 ones means 5 units. Expanded form. Say expanded form. That is when the number written is by the values of each digit. So if we have 25, we have a 2 and a 5. But in pictorial form, that's 2 tens and 5 ones. In expanded form, how much is 2 tens worth? Count by tens. 10, 20. So 20 plus how much is 5 ones? 5. 20 plus 5 is 25. Place value chart. Say place value chart. These are numbers that are written in the correct place value. The 2 and the 5. The 5 is the 1. The first number over here on the right is always the ones. So there are 5 ones. The number next to the ones is always the tens. The number 2 is in the tens place. Now let's try some practice problems. So if Liza had 65 pieces of gum, how would you represent this number? Well, in the place value chart, we have 6 tens and 5 ones. In base 10 pictorial form, we're going to draw 6 longs and 5 units. Expanded form, how much is 6 longs? Count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Plus, how much is 5 units? 5 equals 65. And in standard form is just the digits 6 and 5 put together to make 65. Another problem says Marco has 32 Pokemon cards. How would you represent this number? Well, 32 has 3 tens and 2 ones. Base 10 pictorial form, that's 3 longs and 2 units. Then how much is 3 longs worth? Count them by tens. 10, 20, 30. So that's 30 plus 2 units. How much is 2 units? 2. That equals 32. And in standard form is the digits 3 and 2 to make 32. Now it is your turn to practice writing some numbers in different forms. This says Micah has 32 crayons. How would you represent this number? You're going to do exactly what I did, only with different numbers. If you don't remember which is the pictorial form and the expanded form or the standard form, then come back and look at my example. Then the next problem says Josue has 45 markers. How would you represent this number? And you're going to use 45 and do the same thing that I did with my example, just with a different number. What did you learn today? You relearned or reviewed standard form as a number written as digits. Pictorial form is a number shown in place value blocks. Expanded form, the number written by values of each digit. And place value chart, numbers are written in the correct place value. Now you have a very cute short video about expanded form. Some of the numbers are bigger than the ones we're going to use, but that's okay. There's still tens and there's still ones. And I still want you to have a good day, and I will see you tomorrow.